Guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It is Lipsticks and Kicks, and I'm back with a cute little first time mom self-care little Victoria's Secret haul. So I'll show you what I got. Mainly most of this stuff was just for my hospital stay and my little hospital bag, but I'll probably just show that in the next video. But for now, this is going to be a little Victoria's Secret haul. So this is my bag. Okay, so I guess just to start off, I'll probably just start off with some cute little undergarments that I got. So first I'll start with some socks. So near to where I live, there's a Victoria's Secret outlet. If you can find one, I highly recommend. I just got some little cozy socks for the stay, and I just needed some new pair of socks anyways because I can never find my little pairs at all. So I just got some socks. Good deal. So this bandeau I think was maybe $4.99, and it's really pretty. It's like in this bright yellow color, and I like these just for like lounging around in the house. You know, just something cute just to put on. You could even put this on underneath a jean jacket and some baggy jeans. So really cute, and they had these on sale for like $2, $3, $4.99. So really good deal for that. And in my size, extra large, so that's good because y'all know I got some big chi-chis, so got that. Then we'll move on to undies. This one was 99 cents. Girl, 99 cents. Okay, they were doing the low 5 for whatever. No, so super cute. Got a pair of those. What are these? These are cheeksters. Super cute. Got these. I think these are cheeksters as well, and they just say feeling cozy, so that's cute for the little winter time. Especially for my hospital bag, I think I'm gonna pack these in there, and they're just like some cute little, I forget what they call it. Oh, these are shorties, so super cute. And I also got these. These are gonna be really nice for after labor, and I just want to have like full nice undies to wear, so that's gonna be really good. And I also got these, just some nice soft materials, and all of these were literally $2.99, and the gray one was 99 cents. So, and these are some cheekies, but I really like this soft material because down there, even now, just around my waist area, it's like most of my underwear, it's like it fits, but that little tight restricting line can be uncomfortable, like the bands. So we got that. Okay, and then let's move on to bras. So the bras were $7.99. So I got me this bra. So this is gonna be really nice for after I have the baby, and you know, when they're coming to check on you and stuff, you could just have this on with like a robe or have it on underneath your hospital gown. And you know, it's just nice when they're coming to like check on you and stuff. So, and it's just gonna keep your boobs intact. So this was $7.99. Really cute. Okay, and then I also got this bra. So this was also $7.99. Super cute, nice soft material, and pink, because you guys know we're with the pink vibes right now. So really cute. A pajama set. So this was really nice because the shorts were $5.99. Super cute. Love the material. I like these little boxers. These are super cute. And then these long sleeve shirts, they also had these for $2.99. So I picked up a black one. So that goes with the black shorts. And then the fuzzy slippers they had on sale for 10 bucks. I was just like, why not? You can never go wrong with some nice fuzzy slides. So these are gonna be really cute for my hospital stay. So really cute, you know, just a vibe, you know, when you want to feel cute and refreshed. Sleeves. So this was also $2.99. Just a nice basic heather gray long sleeve, real cute and nice and cozy for the fall winter time coming up. So I really like that. Afterwards, after I have the baby and I'm gonna be in the house pretty much at least for the next 2 months after I give birth. So this was super freaking cute, and these were on sale for $4.99, you guys. This is a cute little pink terry cloth dress. So how cute is that? And it has ruching at the side. This is so freaking dope. I love this. And I got it in a size extra large. Super, super cute. If the weather is still gonna be semi-warm or warmish, I'm definitely wearing this out the hospital. So super cute. Then I also got this one. This one was also $2, $3, $4.99. I don't even remember, but it's a long sleeve dress. So that's really cute as well. And super cute. Afterwards, if I need to go out for errands, so then I found this dress as well. It has that same ruching blue tie-dye vibes. Super cute for after I give birth as well. Could wear it with like a nice fuzzy cardigan. So super cute. And like I said, the deals were literally, couldn't pass it up. So nice cute little items, you know, just to feel refreshed and have cute stuff. I don't have to feel like too frumpy and like big t-shirts and then stuff. Last but not least, so for some beauty items, I picked up 2 body sprays. So this one is the Bare Vanilla Heat, and it smells really, really good. I'm a vanilla girl, but not that much. Like I prefer fruity, sweet, gourmand scent. So yep, so I picked up this, and this was $5.99. And then this one I really, really love. It smells so good. So hopefully I can go back there and get another one of these. This is the Love Spell, but it's the golden version. This smells so good. Like, it smells so good. It's Love Spell, but just a little bit lighter, a little bit more sunshiny smelling. It's just so good. So if you guys see this on sale at your regular Victoria's Secret, pick it up. So I got that for $5.99. And then last but not least, I got the Almond Blossom and Oat Milk body wash. This smells so good. It literally smells like shea butter and like butterscotch candy and like whipped cream all mixed together. So this is a really nice fall scent. So if you guys are looking for a nice fall body wash, this is the jam. So this is probably gonna smell really good underneath the Bare Vanilla. So really, really like that. I do have enough lotions and stuff from Victoria's Secret. Like I never really finished them, so I didn't pick up any lotion. But I really been needing some body sprays. I really needed some bras. I got another bra from there. It's like a green bra, but I wore it today. But yeah, it's like a green training little bra. Perfect for after I had my baby. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Please stay tuned for my next video. I'll show you guys my hospital bag and what I'm packing in there for me and my hospital stay to have my baby girl. But as always, thank you guys for watching, and we'll definitely see you in the next video.